Did you know some of the foods you eat every day could be poisonous? This startling fact might surprise you. Items in our kitchen might be harmful if wrongly consumed. This video will unmask 5 common yet potentially toxic foods. But fear not, we also offer guidelines for safety. This isn't about fear but informed safety. The aim isn't to scare but to empower you with knowledge. So, without further ado, let's dive straight into the list. First on our list is a staple in many households, the humble potato. This common tuber found in numerous kitchens can pose a hidden risk when it turns green. Yes, green potatoes. But why worry about off-colored potatoes? Well, green in potatoes signals an increase in a compound called solanine. Solanine is a natural pesticide produced by the potato to protect itself from harm. Yet solanine can be harmful to us if in large amounts. This can lead to nausea, vomiting, abdominal pain, and in rare cases, neurological problems. The worst-case scenarios can witness hallucinations, paralysis, and even death. But don't panic. Acute solanine poisoning is rare. You'd have consumed a lot of green potatoes for that. But why do potatoes turn green? When potatoes are to light for extended periods, they begin to produce chlorophyll, giving them that green tint. Chlorophyll is harmless, but its formation is usually parallel to the increase in solanine. How can we prevent the risks of green potatoes? The solution is straightforward. Store your potatoes correctly. Keep them in a cool and dark place, away from light. A cabinet or pantry is perfect. And if you find a green potato, don't worry. Just cut off the green parts before cooking. Solanine is concentrated in the skin and just beneath, so peeling can significantly reduce its consumption. To avoid solanine poisoning, store your potatoes in a cool, dark place, and remove any green parts before cooking. Stay tuned as more everyday foods with hidden dangers are revealed in our next segment. Next up, we have almonds, a favorite snack for many health-conscious individuals. But here's a fact you may not know: not all almonds are the same. There are 2 main varieties, sweet and bitter almonds. The ones you commonly find in grocery stores are sweet almonds, perfectly safe to consume. However, their cousin, the bitter almond, conceals a risk. Unlike sweet almonds, bitter almonds have a compound called amygdalin. When ingested, this breaks down into hydrogen cyanide, a potent poison. Ingesting just a few raw, bitter almonds could be fatal. But don't let this stop you from enjoying this wholesome food. Almonds are brimming with healthy fats, fiber, protein, magnesium, and vitamin E, a fantastic addition to a balanced diet. Always ensure you're eating sweet almonds, not bitter ones. In most countries, including the US, the sale of raw, bitter almonds is regulated due to their potential toxicity. They're usually processed to remove the poison or used sparingly for flavoring. So how can you tell the difference? Sweet almonds have a round, oval shape and a smooth flavor, while bitter almonds are pointier and taste bitter. To stay safe, stick to store-bought almonds and avoid raw, bitter ones. If you encounter bitter almonds, they must be properly processed before eating. Remember, knowledge is power. So, let's use this information to make safer food choices and continue to enjoy the delicious and nutritious benefits of almonds. Third on our list are kidney beans, a staple in chili and other hearty dishes. These red gems are loaded with nutrients, but they also contain a toxin called phytohemagglutinin when raw or undercooked. This toxin can lead to severe digestive issues, but don't worry, it's heat sensitive and can be deactivated through proper cooking. So how do you make kidney beans safe to consume? Firstly, soak your beans. This softens them, reduces cooking time, and starts breaking down the toxin. It's best to soak them overnight, then it's time to cook them. Boiling the beans for at least 10 minutes is key. This destroys the toxin. It's important to note that slow cooking might not reach the necessary temperatures, so stick to stovetop. And what if you prefer canned kidney beans? Luckily, they're already cooked and safe to eat straight from the can. Just rinse them well to remove excess sodium. In conclusion, kidney beans do contain a toxin when raw or undercooked, but proper preparation and can ensure they are safe to eat. By soaking and boiling your kidney beans, you can relish their nutritious benefits without the risk. Remember, always thoroughly cook kidney beans to avoid any unpleasant side effects. Our fourth item is rhubarb, a plant often used in desserts. Rhubarb is interesting. The stalks with their tart flavor are popular in culinary creations and are packed with vitamins and minerals. However, the leaves contain oxalic acid, a substance found in various foods, but its concentration in rhubarb leaves is particularly high. This compound in large amounts can lead to severe health issues like kidney problems. Symptoms of oxalic acid poisoning include burning in the mouth and throat, eye pain, nausea, and vomiting. In extreme cases, it can cause convulsions, coma, and even death. Though you'd have to eat a large amount of rhubarb leaves for these symptoms to occur. To consume rhubarb safely, remove the leaves. When preparing rhubarb for any dish, always discard the leaves before you start cooking. This way, you'll enjoy the unique flavor and health benefits of rhubarb without any risk. It's important to stay informed about our food. While rhubarb stalks are a nutritious ingredient, the leaves are not to be eaten. To enjoy rhubarb safely, always remove and discard the leaves before cooking. Lastly, we have the pufferfish, a delicacy in Japan. This fish is an adventurous choice for a meal, but it carries a life-threatening secret. It conceals tetrodotoxin, a lethal neurotoxin that can cause paralysis and even death in humans. There's no known cure, making eating this dish a game of risk. In Japan, chefs wishing to serve pufferfish must undertake intensive training and licensing examinations. The demanding preparation process can span up to 3 years, reflecting the gravity of the responsibility. Once certified, chefs can serve this potentially deadly delicacy. This example underlines the importance of understanding our food. The items we consume might appear benign and nutritious, but can be treacherous if mismanaged. To conclude, it's crucial to know the contents of our food and the safe methods of preparing it. Remember, knowledge is the key to safe consumption. Hey there, you've made it to the end of another thrilling video. Your support means we can continue providing top-notch content. So, if you've enjoyed what you've seen, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It's your VIP pass to all our latest videos. But wait, there's more. To never miss a beat, give that notification bell a friendly tap. Yes, that little icon right there. By doing so, you'll be among the first to know when we upload new content. Remember, your participation fuels our motivation, so subscribe, ring that bell, and join our community of enthusiasts. We're excited to have you on board. See you in the next video.